Hello and welcome to Shop Data Videos. In this video I will be demonstrating our HVAC product called Quick Duct Cam. I'll start at the top, Batch Auto Tool. Batch Auto Tool is for importing multiple DXF files. We'll simply click on File, Import DXF, Add Files, select all the DXF files you want to bring in at one time, and then click Import. And we're all done. Not only did it bring in all of our DXF files, but as you can see, it already has a toolpath on it and it's ready to process. Now if you'd like to make any changes, like for example, this lead in and lead out, I'll double click anywhere on the screen. I'll go right over here to the right to move lead in, lead out, and I'll put it anywhere I want to put it. Now I have a perfect lead in, perfect lead out. On the right hand side here, apply toolpath. You can right click and it gives you control of your lead in, your lead out. You can change your angle, the radius, the kerf. We put you in the driver's seat to do things as you wish. And that is Batch Auto Tool. Now our next one down is our actual draw package. And I'll do a simple routine here. I'll draw a rectangle. I'll put a circle right here in the middle. And I'll right click right over here, fill it by arc. I'll make 1 inch. Click OK. And then it's just as simple as clicking right there on the corner where we want to put it. And then I'm going to change that now from fillet to chamfer, 1 inch by 1 inch. Click OK. There again, click on the corner. Click on the corner. Apply a toolpath, put the lead in, lead out anywhere we want to put it, and there we go. Now if you'd like to post-process and do one part at a time, you can just simply post-process from this part right here. And here is your code to run the machine and your NC viewer. Now our next one down is Order Job Processing, which is our job manager. And what we'll do here is I'm going to close this and we're going to create a brand new job, and of course we'll call that Quick Duct Cam. And this is where it gets real easy. If you want fittings, click on fittings. If you want parts, click on parts. If you want macros, click on macros. And when you're all done putting your job together, you simply click on the nest, and then you can click on sheets to view your nested sheets. So we're going to take a look at our fittings. I'm going to go to the red plus sign. And as you can see, we have a full rectangle, round, and flat oval library. All the fittings that we've come across in the last 33 years. I'll select a fitting, and as you can see here, I will just simply put in some dimensions, and you can see on the left hand side over here we have a dynamic view that changes as we enter in dimensions. You can also rotate that view. Then I'll click Save. We'll take a look at another fitting. We'll do a squared around. There again, you simply enter in dimensions and it lays it out for you automatically. You also have control of the construction of how many pieces you wish to have your squared around built in. We'll click Save, 2D View. There again, here's your flat pattern layout. I'll change the construction to 4. I'll save that. And here is our layout. Now our next one that we'll go to is the parts. There again, the red plus sign to add to the job. We'll click Browse so we can see what we're looking at. I'll grab some parts here and I'll just put in a quantity. I'll do one rotation so it can find its most efficient way to nest. We'll grab another part here, put in a quantity, rotation, same material. We'll save that. We'll add another part. We'll save that. Put in a quantity again. And now what we'll do is we'll go to macros, bottom red plus sign to add to the job again, click Browse, and we have 67 common shapes already developed for you, such as a bolt hole circle. You just simply enter in dimension, make an 1/8 of an inch lead in. I'll make one of those, same material, and I'll put 15 holes going all the way around it. I'll save it, 2D view, and this is what we just created. Now all you have to do is just simply click on Nest. You can nest it on whatever size sheet you wish, and simply click Nest. It will rotate, and it's already completed. Here's your nested sheets. It actually knows to put parts inside of parts to get the most efficient nest possible. And it also separates all your materials. Here's our fitting. Then we'll post-process. We'll send it out to the machine. And here's your NC viewer. You can play to see the code that runs the machine, and it'll actually preview your plasma as it is cutting, or before you actually cut your sheet. And of course we have all the reports you could possibly need. And then we also have the ability for Macro Builder. You can build your own macros, such as this curb adapter right here. Here's your supply, here's your return. Just simply enter in the dimensions. And it lays the whole entire curb adapter out for you in seconds. And you can actually see right here where the brake marks are, to even show your brake operator where the bends are to prevent mistakes. And there you have Quick Duck Cam. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 972-494-2719. Thank you and have a great day.